Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2012 Dodge Ram 5500 we have for sale. It's a four-wheel drive 6.7 Cummins diesel. It's got an 11-foot IMT Dominator service body with a 7,500-pound IMT crane, hydraulic air compressor, hydraulic outriggers. It's got a nice set of slide-out tool shelves in this front box. It's got 228,000 miles on it. Truck come out of Tennessee, so essentially rust-free. Walk around and show it to you. It's a one-owner truck. It belonged to Cummins. It was one of their service trucks. One thing I do want to point out down here on this bottom rocker, there's a dent there. You can see that. Start it up, work the crane. That one is hydraulic, you just pull it in out, it goes out. Outriggers down. in. torsion control. So you control the speed with the trigger. Air compressor. Pumping wind. $7,700 engine hours. This truck does have all the factory emissions on it. Excuse me. All the factory emissions, DPF, EGR, DEF, all that stuff is in place. 1 second. So if you're in a state that requires that, you're good on that. Another thing, if you're looking at a state and you want to have this truck shipped, I can ship it straight to you. You're going to be looking around $1.75 a mile. If you decide to go that route, just know that we're dispatchers. So what we'll do is post it on our dispatch board, and we wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck going to Oklahoma or Nebraska, wherever you're at, we want to take it for you. I don't have somebody just sitting here at the ready waiting to leave out, you know, just sitting here waiting. If you're one of those people, you got to know the exact second somebody's going to load it, the exact second they're going to deliver it and all that. Then the only way to know that is to come pick it up yourself. Normally it takes 3 to 7 days to get the truck if you go with me on the shipping. But you know, if you're out in the middle of nowhere, it could take longer. And sometimes we have people call, like we sold a truck the first of the week and posted it. Somebody picked it up the same day. So you just never know, but normally 3 to 7 days. But if you decide to come pick it up in person, you're welcome to do that. We're open Monday through Friday, 7 to 4. We're not open on the weekends. And if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. I can't take a check on your name or your business name. It has to be a certified bank check only. So keep that in mind. Another thing, this is the most popular truck we sell, a Dodge 5500 4-wheel drive with a IMT Dominator, or any heavy duty body with a big crane. The Dodge 5500 4-wheel drives, they don't last long. So with that being said, I've had several people lately, and I keep saying I'm not going to hold trucks. I don't hold trucks for no reason, but I got burned on 2 in the past month or so. People saying they were going to buy them and screwed me around for a week or 2 and ended up not buying them. And we end up selling the trucks like the next day, so it's not a big deal. It's just that I don't like messing around, honestly. I want to, you know, if you say you're going to do something, you should do it. But anyways, with that being said, I'm not holding this truck for any amount of time. The only way for me to hold this truck is for you to tell me you're going to the bank and wiring the money. That's the only way that I will hold it. You know, there's some people, I got to see it before I buy it. Well, that's perfectly fine. I know there's people like that out there. This is probably not going to be the truck for you because it's going to sell quick. You know, if you want to wait a week and come here and look at it, if I still have it, you're welcome to it. Otherwise, though, the only way to buy this truck and lock in is to go to the bank and pay for it. So that's that. I hate to be that way, but that's just the way it is. So, all right, if you're interested, you can call or text me, 256-310-6852. Thanks for watching. HeavyMetalAuto.com.